No one wants to deal with a broken down air conditioner or furnace, so it's important to know when it's time to replace it. Bobby Johnson with Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling is here to answer that question. Hello.
Hey.
Well, this is something we all sort of, I don't know, I have to admit, we kind of put off, right? It's an investment.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, this isn't, I say this all the time, this is not a fun purchase to make, and we certainly understand that.
You guys try to make it as fun as possible, though, right?
We'll try to make it fun. We will make it as fun as we possibly can. We certainly make it as easy to tackle as we possibly can.
So how do we know when it's time to replace? How long should a furnace and air conditioning system last?
So this is the million-dollar question that we get all the time. Of course, big topic, big decision, big purchase, and so to answer, it's a little tricky. It depends on the type of equipment. Of course, our industry is like every other industry. There's going to be different levels and quality tiers of product. So that's a factor, as well as the age. Unfortunately, with some of the lines, we've seen that average lifespan come down over the years. Now, we have sacrificed some longevity of the equipment for the efficiency. And so there's a bit of a trade-off. A lot of people, not only we're not excited about making the purchase, but what we don't factor in sometimes is the efficiency of the newer equipment costs way less to run, and so there's more of a return on investment. It'll start paying you back. So that's the give and take. But to be quite honest, there is no right or wrong answer as far as when to replace the equipment. It is going to depend on what type and how old and how well it's been taken care of is a big part of it.
Well, I was going to ask, does maintenance affect that? I know you have a Gold Club membership, so if we're having it maintained twice a year, will that help extend the life of it?
Yeah, 100% it will, for sure. I mean, it's just like your car, you know, you have to get the oil changed, you got to put gas in it. Not the same direct analogy to this equipment, but yeah, of course we have to take care of it. But that's what the point of the Gold Club membership is that when we're on the younger side of life for these systems, then it's to clean, maintain, inspect, and get them to last as long as we can. And then when we're on the back end of that scenario, then it's to catch things before we have problems. And so the Gold Club membership will certainly help extend the life of the equipment. And then you kind of know when it's ready. Yeah, I've been preparing for this. We've been having these conversations. But to try to answer your question a little bit better, I would tell you that typically on average, a national average across brands, then once you start getting to that 14, 15-year mark, then you're pretty close to the average.
It shouldn't be a surprise then when it breaks down or you need a new one if you don't replace it.
Exactly. And to be quite honest, with that efficiency conversation of how efficient the newer equipment is, Mid-America has done studies and would even tell you that once you get to that 15-year mark, then you start weighing, is it worth investing money into this system, or should we use those dollars towards a new one?
Okay, well, thanks for answering this question, Bobby, and making it fun, right?
Well, not the funnest, but maybe a little bit better.
Thanks again. And you can find Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling in Grimes at 904 Northeast Main Street and online at goldenrulephc.com. Call 888-986-2424 to set up an appointment. You can also find Golden Rule on Facebook and Instagram. Stay tuned, we're back in just 2 minutes.